Can my LLC lease a vehicle? Yes, your LLC can lease a vehicle, and many business owners choose this to keep the lease in the company's name rather than their own. This helps maintain liability protection, keeps business and personal finances separate, and makes accounting cleaner. It also allows your business to build credit in its own name over time. From a tax standpoint, leasing can be beneficial. If the vehicle is used mainly for business, lease payments, insurance, and operating costs may be deductible. If there is personal use, you'll need to track mileage or percentages to properly separate personal and business expenses. Lenders may ask for a personal guarantee if your LLC doesn't have strong credit yet, especially for new businesses. The short answer is this: yes, your LLC can lease a vehicle, and doing so can bring tax advantages and liability protection. But you must track use carefully and may still need to personally back the lease. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep it compliant so you can take advantage of business perks like leasing vehicles. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.